So hi, I'm Zia Joyce Linde, Mad English. This video is an instructional guide about phonemic awareness. So what is phonemic awareness? So when we say phonemic awareness is a critical pre-reading skill that involves the ability to hear, identify and manipulate individual sounds known as phonemes. And in spoken words, it is a subset of phonological awareness, which also includes recognizing larger units of sound such as syllables and rhymes. Phonemic awareness is essential for learning to read an alphabetic writing system because it underpins the understanding that letters represent sounds. I'm using alphabet flashcards and having my niece follow the sounds I say is a great idea. Combining in visual and audio, teaching can help her learn and remember the letters and their sounds more quickly. Just make sure to keep each session fun and engaging to maintain her interest. Atara, Atara. What is your name?
Yeah,
Atara.
yeah,
Aki.
okay.
How old are you?
Two,
Two. Tingin doon. How old are you?
two,
Two. Very good. So, what letter is this?
apple,
Apple. Very good. So, ah. You say it ah. 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 Tingin doon. Look at ah. Ah. Lakasan mo pa. Louder. Ah.
ah,
Ah.
ah,
Again, what is this?
apple,
Ah. Apple. Very good. Letter
red,
A.
egg,
Ah. Ah. Okay. Ito, how about this one? What is this?
boy,
Ball? Ball.
boy,
Tingin doon. Ball.
boy,
B. 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 Wait lang anak, wait lang. B. 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 Tingin dito ah. B. 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 Louder. Lakasan mo. B.
boy,
Very good. What letter is this? Letter
red,
B.
pig,
B. 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 Very good. How about this one? What is this?
yum,
Meow? What again? Meow? It's a meow?
yes,
Again?
okay.
What is this?
Yum,
Cat. Oh, meow. It's meow meow. It's a
ah,
cat. Cat. What is this?
cat,
Cat. Oh, anong sound ni cat? Meow.
yum,
Very good. Oh, what letter is this? Letter C.
red,
K. K.
red,
K. 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 What's that? Oh. Oh, again. What sound is this? K. K. Sige na, you say it. K. Atara. K. K. Tingnan mo ah. Again, what is this? What is this? It's a
red,
cat.
cat,
Anong sound na ng cat? Yung sinabi mo, meow. Paano yung meow? Meow. How about the dog? What is the sounds of the dog? Dog. Anong sound ng dog?
yum,
Ow, ow.
oh,
Oh. How about the cat? What is the sound of the cat? Meow, meow. Very good. Okay. Lapit ka dito sa akin. Lapit kay mama. Okay. Letter
red,
C. K. 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 How about this one? What is this?
duck,
Very good. The bear. Oh, where's the duck? What is the sounds of the duck?
yellow,
Quack, quack.
quack, quack,
Again. Quack, quack.
quack, quack,
Oh, what letter is this? Look at this now. What letter is this? Letter D.
D,
D.
D,
D.
D,
Again.
okay,
D.
D,
Tingin kasi dito. Look at the flashcard. Oh, what letter is this? D. D.
D,
D. Again, what is this? Atara. Duck. Ano? Duck. Quack, quack.
quack, quack,
Very good. How about this one?
Apple.
What?
Apple.
Elephant. Very good. And what letter is this? E.
E.
E. E. E. E. You know, E. E. Okay ha? Hindi naman. E. 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 Okay, meron. Very good. Again, what is this? What is this? Elephant. Lakasan mo ah. Again, louder. How about this one?
This.
Very good. Where's the fish? Fish. F. What letter is this? Letter F. 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 You know, F. 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 F.
Name.
What's that? What is this? What is this?
Boom.
It's a. What kind of animal is this? Is a bear? Oh, this is a bear. What is this? Again. F. Come on, lapit kay mama. F. Sige na, F. Mamaya na. You. This one now, what is this?
Look.
It's a quack quack. It's a.
Egg.
What is this? It's a.
Egg.
What is this? How about this one? What is this? No, this is not a turtle. This is a dinosaur. It is rar. Come on, alapit dito sa video. Come on, oh look. You sit. Sit. Tabi kay mama. Come on. Oh, what is this? This is a rar. Rar. Dinosaur is coming. Rar. You say it rar. You say it rar. Oh, you say it rar. Rar. F. Where is the fish? You say fish.
Fish.
F. F. Again. Say it again. F. F. Very good. How about this one? This one. What is this? It's a.
Egg.
Look at this. What is this? It's a gift. Look at the gift. Look at the gift. Look at this. Look at the flashcard. Sa ano? Taya. What is this? Gift.
G.
Letter.
G.
What letter is this? Letter G. Look at the flashcard. What letter is this? Letter G. G.
D.
G. 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 You look at my mouth. G. G. Very good. G. G. Very good talaga. And how about this one? Oh, do you know this? Alam mo to? What is this? What? Very good. What letter? Letter H. Letter H. Oh. Horse. Horse. What is the sound of the horse? What? What is the sound of the horse? Neigh. 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 Okay, where is letter H na? Where did you put? No, where did you put? Where is the letter H? Again, where is the letter H? Where did you put? You disarrange eh. Oh, what sound is this? This one. No, this one What sound is this? What letter muna? H. 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 Nay, don't. H. H. Sabi mo nga. H. How about this one? How about this one? What letter is this? What is this? What is this? Atara, what is this? Again. Again. What is this? Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
Oh, ice cream.
Not
Ice cream.
not
Oh, E. You say E. E. Ne? Kinaklat mo na. O, E. Sabi mo na E.
E.
E. Yung matigas na E. E. Mwah. E.
E.
E. How about this one? Do you know this? Atara, where are you going? Atara. What is this? What letter is this, anak? What letter is this?
B.
J.
J.
What is this?
D.
What is this?
D.
J. Ito, J letter. Juice.
Juice.
Juice. J. 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 J.
D.
J. 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 Where's the juice? Do you like this? Do you want juice? Yes, po. Okay. Later.
Hi.
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 I'm Atara.
Hi.
How about this one? You know this? What letter is this? What letter? Atara, what letter is this, anak?
Hi.
K.
J.
What is this? Key.
T.
Where is the key? Where is the key? Ituro mo si key. Very good. Key.
T.
K. You say it K. Lapit dito kay mama, ah. Dito kay mama. Wag mo hilain, ah. Come on. Key. K. K. Naiwala ng ulo si Atara. Oh. What letter is this? K.
J.
K. Umayos, ah. K. Ah, K. 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 How about this one? Lion. Where's the lion? Where's the lion, anak? Where is the lion? Where is the lion? Oh, you sit properly. You sit beside mama. L. 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 L.